welcome back to Honey and Tech. Today I'm going to talk about Google IT certification course. I've earned this credential before 7-8 days. Okay, so I'm going to explain you about my journey, like how I have done my studies, what all things. I'm going to take you inside of this course, and I'm going to explain you about what all thing you'll be learning. And I'm also gonna explain you about the hack, the smart hack, how you can. I took a time of 3-4 months because I'm already working. I don't get that much time, but I'm sure there are many people like me, but still I'm gonna tell you the smart hack. Like you can also earn this credential. 7-8 week time you can earn this, and also I will show you the pages. I will take you inside the course module where you will understand what all thing you are gonna learn. It's been 7-8 days, so I don't know what kind of offers I will have in my bucket, but then it's a good learning. I think whoever wants to have a basic and want to have an understanding about the networking and the computer fundamentals and so many things, so that you will have an understanding. And yes, you'll have a certification from Google, so this is one of the achievement. In this video I'm going to show you how you can achieve it within 6 weeks, and also one trick where you can save this video and you can refer it in future. So actually this Google IT support is provided by Coursera. You have to pay the monthly subscription fees, and yes, you can start studies. So let's go to the screen and understand how you can enroll and how you can do studies. Okay, so I am on the Coursera website. Okay, you can see how much I am paying. It is as per Indian money, Indian rupees. It is 1094 rupees I am paying. Okay, so this is the payment information I have given you. Now I'll take you to the course and what kind of videos are there, and I am also gonna explain you about the hacks, like if you want to have a study materials and all, so how you can save it for the future. It is very easy actually, but this I don't know, people doesn't do it. They just go through the course and then they think that they have to pay for the fees continuous to have the course details and all. They don't have to do this basically. So I'm going to my screen now. So here, the right hand side, you can see congratulations, I have already completed this course. I can also give the reviews and all. So in first week I'm going to show you what all topics are covered, so that way I'll just go fast. In week 1, the first video is about the program introduction. So in the first lecture, if the video program introduction, you will get to know about the multiple faculty who will take you to the program. So he is Mr. Kelvin. So like that, there are other Google expert who will explain you about these courses. Left hand side, you can see these are the course video. Once you completed this, green right will come. Okay, so that way these are different videos are available. So what does an IT support specialist do? Course introduction. Okay, take a minute to set yourself for a success. This is just in guidance, and then all the author. In the first video, they're explaining you about the how you can have a benefit. So they have actually explained you about the computer history, how it is started, who created this, who was the first programmer, and then the in this session there are multiple different faculty. The engineers are available. They will explain you about the details with their expertise. Okay, how this analytical engine was created. Here we have Mr. Devanshri Tharan. He will also explain you about how you can assemble computer parts. So there are multiple lectures which will definitely help you about the logic and how the calculation part was started from the computer. Okay, so this is the first week program. Now I'll take you to the second week. In the second week, you will have an understanding about the computer software, computer program and hardware. Supplemental, you will also have a supplement for reading. Okay, they have given us the link of Wikipedia. So once you just click, these are the various threads they have given. So few links will divert you to the Wikipedia, and few are the internal material, study material they have provided. Okay, so that way you can go through this at least 1 week. You can say 1.5 hour if you want to also read complete study material. But then the hack which I was talking about, for example, Okay, I want to have in some understanding. I have saved all the videos, but here you have in benefit of saving this video for future reference for study, because see, nobody wants to pay every time this 1094. It total depends on you if you want to enroll more courses from the Coursera, like you want to have in more certification from the Google team. But then if you don't want to have it, then you can just save any video, like you can just click over here. Okay, and you can download basically this video. Okay, so this way I could save the video. See, you can see over here, I'm just opening this video. I have this video available with me, so it is good for me that I can, whenever I want to do revisit of my lectures and video, I can do that. So this is one of the hack which I was talking about. And yes, it is this course is all about 6 weeks, so that way you can just download the video, you can read it, and then that way whenever you get a time, you can complete this course. So now I'll just give you what all topics are covered in third, fourth, 5 and 6. If you see in 3, 4, what are the options available? Remote connection, components of operating system, files and file system, process management, memory management, how operating system and space works out, how are the logs are generated, what is the boot process, then how mobile operating system. So all these things are available in week 4. Okay, in week 5, you'll have an understanding about the networking hardware language of the internet, the web, or you can see the duration of all these minutes, right? So, even if you are working, you can listen this video as per your convenience. You can also download a mobile application. Like I've shown on the screen, you can download this and you can just go through the video. There are certain videos which you will not be able to see on in your mobile, but yes, you can definitely watch it from your laptop. But then otherwise, all other videos are available in your mobile also. Okay, and yes, these are the quiz available. So if you want an understanding of, if you're not understanding any quiz, you can definitely contact me or comment me in this video. I will guide you. Okay, I'm not gonna help you in cheating. I'll guide you the base. I'll clear your logic. In week 6, it is types of software, revisiting abstraction logic, how computer is calculating the maths. Okay, how it happened. The all these examples are given in week 5, and week 6 is all about the customer service. Okay, how you have to manage the problem, how you have to understand the problem. So that way, computer, this week 6 is all about dealing the situation and resolving the problem, because we at IT will always have this mindset of understanding the deep dive in the problem, and understanding the problem, and providing the resolution. So this is all about Coursera technical support fundamental course, which you can earn it within a 1.5 month of time if you follow the tricks I have told you. Okay, and if you need any kind of assistance, you know how you can contact me. Thank you so much for watching my video.